Okay, for those of you who do not have cicadas where you live, hopefully you can hear this. It's quite deafening. These little buggers that flying around and making all this racket. Hopefully you can hear all that cicada noise. Here's an example of one of the little red-eyed buggers. I think he's dead. Here's a bunch of them dead. See if this one's alive. No, he's dead. Let's see if this one's alive. Yep, he's alive. And every night they crawl around, and then in the morning they leave these little things, these little shells. And there's a bunch of them, and even cling to the side of the house.